Alibaba or AliExpress, which one is better for your business? Today I'm breaking down the key differences so you know which platform works best for you. Let's jump right into it. So let's start with the basics. What's the difference between Alibaba and AliExpress? Alibaba is a whole platform. You are buying in bulk, usually 100 units or more, and you are working directly with suppliers. This is ideal if you are building a brand, scaling your business, or need custom products, customization. On the other hand, AliExpress is like Amazon. You can buy one item at a time. There's no minimum order quantity. It's super beginner friendly and perfect if you are just testing the waters or buying a few products. Now let's talk money. Alibaba usually has much cheaper prices per unit, but only if you are buying in bulk. So if you plan to buy 100 or even 1,000 units, Alibaba can save you a lot of money in the long run. If you are starting out or you want to test a product with a small order, AliExpress is a better choice. No commitment, just buy what you need without the risk of big bulk orders. Here's another factor to consider. With AliExpress, you usually get shipping in about 7 to 21 days, depending on where you live and the shipping method you choose. Alibaba shipping depends on the supplier. It could be 15 to 45 days or more, especially if you are using ocean freight. So keep that in mind when you are planning for delivery times. Nobody wants to get scammed, right? AliExpress offers strong buyer protection. If you don't receive your order, or if it's not what you ordered, you can open a dispute and they will step in to help you. Alibaba also offers buyer protection, but it's through trade assurance. The catch: you need to use approved suppliers and follow their payment methods. It's a good option, but you need to do your research. If you are new to importing, then definitely AliExpress. AliExpress is definitely the way to go. It's easier to use, faster shipping, and lower risk. You can dip in your toes without committing to a big bulk order or complicated processes. However, if you are planning to build a brand, need custom packaging, or want to buy in bulk, Alibaba is the better choice for a long-term success. AliExpress is best for beginners. One item at a time, fast shipping, and no minimum order quantity. Alibaba is best for business scaling, bulk orders, and custom needs. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but you now know which one works for you. Before you go, here are a few bonus tips. Number 1, always check seller ratings and reviews. Number 2, never pay off platforms, be it Alibaba or AliExpress. Pay within the platform for secure payment methods. For Alibaba, please always ask for samples before you place big orders. Please. If you need help in sourcing or finding reliable suppliers, I'm just a call away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.